Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to replace the battery in a Bosch Indego M700 automatic robot mower. It's real easy to do, and also if you need a new battery, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description where you can order a compatible one. They're not that expensive, and really that's the hardest part of this whole process is to get the battery. But all we need to do is we want to turn our mower off and flip it upside down, and then we're going to come in this little case in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. We're just going to go ahead and remove all 5 of those screws. And then once we remove those 5 screws, that little cover will just pop right off. And from there, you can just take that cover off and you can see the battery in there. You just pull the battery out and then take the new battery and slide the new battery right back in. And then once you do that, you just go ahead and put the cover back on, put the screws back in, and you're done. That's really all there is to it. Like I said, if you need a new battery, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get a battery.